if you're looking for the best Telegram forwarding tool in the world for Windows, this is the one you're looking for, because this one is powered by AI. Yes, you heard me right, powered by AI. Let me show you what it can do. You can literally create a rule that allows you to take a message from any group, or perhaps multiple groups in the same Telegram account. Let me just show you what I mean. You click on add rule, you create a rule, many to one, for example. You can take many from many of your groups. Perhaps you can take from this group, from this chat, and from, let's say, this one. And you can have them all go into one destination chat. For example, let's take the French group as an example. And what you're able to do is select which of the media you're forwarding and which of the media you're not forwarding, just like that. You can then create regular rules if it contains any words or starts with specifically any words. Don't forward if it contains this specific word. And then you can add a prefix or a suffix to the message and a delay. Now, but this is where the magic happens. This is where you create AI conditions for prompts which answer yes or no. For example, does the message contain an email? So if it does, it will send the message. If it doesn't, it won't send the message. It will literally ignore this entire rule and nothing will happen. So let's click. So that's enough. That's one we've done. Now we can add a modification prompt. If it does contain an email, then extract the email from the message. And now what it's going to do is any message that has an email in it, it's going to extract it and give it to you cleanly into this folder, which basically can automate the entire procedure. That's why this software is so perfect. Because it's powered by AI, it's going to give you the power to automate anything you need within Telegram. It can take from many groups, put it into one, distill clean information, take only information that's valuable. It can literally check for valuable information, and it can reword it with AI and dump it out into another group, perhaps a group that you own or a channel that you own that you want to provide high value to. It can take from many places and put it all into one place and reword it all automatically. And this is all done with one software, which is actually free to use for a while. So I highly recommend you check it out, download it. It's in the description below. You click the download button, you get it straight away. You start testing it, playing with it. And I recommend you play with it in chats that you've in channels that you don't really need, so that you can really get the hang of it, and then you can use it in the live scenario. Thank you for watching this. This was Daniel, your host. Bye for now.